Friends, myself Harpreet Kaur. I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start our chapter number 16 and the name of the chapter is the sentence. Now let's begin with the definition. So what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that make complete sense by itself. So some things which we have to remember while writing a sentence. So first one is it always begins with a capital letter. So when we are going to start any sentence, the first letter it will always be capital, and it always ends with a full stop. And if it is an interrogative sentence, then we will use question mark sign, or if it is an exclamatory sentence, then we will put the mark of exclamation. For example, I love to read books. This sentence is a complete sentence in itself. Now, kinds of sentence. A sentence is made of two parts. First one is subject and predicate. Subject, the main part, means the subject, the thing is talking about, and what is the thing talked, it is called as a predicate. For example, the puppy was very hungry. The puppy is a subject and a dog was for puppy and it was very hungry. So now the left part is called as a predicate. Now direct and indirect object. Direct object, a noun or a pronoun that takes the action of a verb. A noun or a pronoun when it takes the action of a verb or the result of the action of the verb is called a direct object. Means, for example, she gave me a chocolate. In this sentence, chocolate is a direct object because what she gave a chocolate. So chocolate is a direct object. Indirect object is a noun or pronoun that is not used with a preposition in the sentence. It is not used with any kind of preposition in a sentence. For example, she gave me the report. Here the word report is an indirect object. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thanks. Have a nice day.